Hi, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. How do you like my new look, Tommy? Yo, yo, yo. I got it there by, what's his name there by around the corner, man. She's the hair nail and beauty thing or something like that. I got it there by them. How do I look? Yo, Tommy. Now the boy, you gotta fall for me. Look, the lashes and the lipstick. Tommy, you must go make a turn there, man. It's there on the corner, man. You see, there by 14th Street. Oh, what is it now? I think it's 4th Street. There by 4th Street. Not the box one, not the box one. Because now I'm thinking you are thinking the box one, not the box one, Tommy. There by 14th Street. There by 4th Street. By the corner of Zeisleroe, man. By the corner of Zeisleroe. You know what where Zeisleroe is? There by 4th Street. Yeah, Tommy. They were made beauty shop there at the corner, Tommy. At the corner. You wouldn't believe, Tommy. Look how I look. Stunning, Tommy. Stunning. Yo, I was so impressed. I was so impressed. The service, Tommy Yam, up to the point. And I'm like, oh, is this where you are? By 4th Street at the corner of Zeisleroe. Because the other person recommended me and my same immediate effect was drinking, you know. But then to my surprise I was saying, no, it's a beauty shop, a hair, nail and beauty shop there at the corner, yeah, to me. You won't pass it. You see when you come down to me, as you come further down, you see there by Mr. Klipdrift. Yes, there by him, when you come further down, you will find me there, to me. You will find him. In fact, I was waiting for you there by the corner. Yeah, you know where it is. You must still know where I stay, must. The corner of 4th Street, opposite Mr. Klipdrift, next to Mr. Richloo. Yes, there told me, there. I won't lie to you. But we haven't spoken like in ages, told me. Where have you been hiding? Where have you been hiding? You must tell me all of the good things, good news, and anything you've been up to and what you are recently doing so that we can catch up, like a catch up. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, I can't wait. I can't wait to meet you again. Yo, it's been long, Tommy. I can't even bear anymore. The time, the days, and the years, Tommy. You must tell me about Ronald, man. Ronald, are you still together with him? Yeah, man, Ronald. We used to slap my bum that time in the class, and he was going to he was still getting up. You were getting so traumatized and angry and jealous because I was so the jealous face. Ooh, Toby. But yeah, so you and him are still together. You must tell me all of the good news, Toby. All of the good news. I can't wait for you, Toby. Yeah, when you come, then we can catch up, drink a little bit of coffee, and eat biscuits, and do the gossiping, Tommy. Yeah, I can't wait to see you. Yes, yes, yes. I miss you. Love you too much. Okay, Tommy. Bye bye.